You want to be rich. Not six-figure salary and burnt-out rich, but time rich, option rich, freedom rich. And everyone says the same thing. Read more books. But if that's all it took, libraries would be full of millionaires. Truth is, most people aren't broke because they're lazy. They're broke because they're following the wrong playbook. Let's fix that. We're raised to believe the path to wealth is linear. Study hard, get a job, climb the ladder, retire at 65. That's the slow lane. Worse, it's a trap. Your time is capped. Your income is capped. You're trading hours for money like a modern-day serf with better coffee. And when you finally make some money, you're taught to spend it on liabilities, cars, clothes, bigger houses, things that make you look rich but keep you poor. Real wealth is quiet. It's the money you don't see, the investments, the ownership, the systems. You feel it every time payday comes and vanishes. Every time an emergency wipes out your savings. Every time you compare yourself to someone younger, freer, richer. Maybe you've read the books. Maybe you've tried budgeting, but nothing sticks. Why? Because information alone isn't transformation. You need the right frame, the right sequence, and the right identity. Here's what I learned after reading over 40 money books and building real businesses. Mindset is the foundation. You don't attract wealth with poverty beliefs. Rich people don't think of money as evil. They think of it as a tool for freedom, control, impact. 2. Habits matters more than hustle. Atomic Habits taught me that success is rarely the result of one big leap. It's the quiet, compound interest of tiny, daily disciplines. 3. Your path must shift as you level up. The strategy that gets you to 100,000 is not the one that gets you to $1 million. Each level requires a new version of you. Level 1. $0 to $100,000. Fix your relationship with money. Books like Secrets of the Millionaire Mind reveal how society trains us to self-sabotage. Understand the game. Rich Dad, Poor Dad showed the difference between assets, make you money, and liabilities, cost you money. Your goal? Buy income-producing assets. Master habits. Stack new ones. Track progress. Ignore goals. Focus on systems. The 12-week year and essentialism are gold here. Fix investing early. A penny doubling for 31 days beats a $3 million lump sum. That's the compound effect in action. Level 2, $100,000 to $1 million. Cash flow of the time for money trap. Cash flow quadrant explains the 4 ways to earn: employee, self-employed, business owner, investor. Wealth lives in the right side. Build leverage. Use code, capital, content, or people to multiply effort. The 4-hour work week isn't about working less. It's about working smart. Find your unfair advantage. Don't copy millionaires. Build your own skill stack. What do you know deeply that others don't? So good they can't ignore you nails this. Test your ideas. Lean. Validate before you build. The lean startup and disrupt you are playbooks for this. Level 3, $1 million to $10 million. Sell without selling. Learn psychology, influence, pitch anything, and never split the difference are game changers. Inspire. Don't instruct. Great leaders start with why. People follow clarity, not commands. Systematize everything. Like the E-Myth says, don't work in your business. Work on it. Create processes so the business runs without you. Take profit first. If your equation is revenue expenses equals profit, you'll always be broke. Flip it. Profit first, revenue. Profit equals expenses. The rich don't have better IQs. They have better defaults. They automate what matters. They control their emotions. They stay consistent when others panic. Money books won't make you rich, but they'll reshape the way you think. And thinking differently is the first domino. Final push. You don't need more hacks. You need a system. You need a philosophy. Save, stack skills, solve problems, scale systems. Stay consistent. That's the game. That's the blueprint. And if you're not there yet, good. You're not behind. You're just pre-rich. Drop a comment. I am pre-rich. Subscribe if you're done waiting for luck to save you. Hit the bell so you don't miss the next chapter in your wealth-building journey. This is the channel where we decode wealth, one system at a time. Let's get to work.